What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, the Tswane member of Mayoral Committee Obaheng has said that healthcare facilities are bound by the law and cannot be blamed for treating patients who seek help. So, this position from Obaheng, the MMC for Tswane, is to say that, you know what, these healthcare facilities, they do not look, at the person's documentation to say you are not documented, so get out. You are documented. Are you supposed to be in South Africa? Then yes, here are your healthcare services. So he was urging community members to redirect their concerns to the Department of Home Affairs, stressing that immigration control falls under their mandate, not hospitals or schools. So this is the his position and probably the position of the EFF, as we have been seeing in the past days. And one thing, that they've made very clear, that if the public and Operation Tutula all combined, if they take their fight to the Department of Home Affairs, then them and the EFF, are going to join them in that route to go to the Home Affairs. But if it's not going to Home Affairs and if it is being done in this barbaric manner, the way they're seeing it, then they're not going to be part of that. So this is the position of the EFF, to so many people who are confused and be like, EFF is fighting for foreigners, EFF, this and that. So the EFF, is saying, you know what, we are a principled party that sticks to the law. We are not barbaric, because so many people believe, that EFF is not principled, it's barbaric, it's chaotic. No, no, no. They're making their very position very, very clear that they're going to follow the law. Because what confuses people, it's those disruptions that the EFF always made in parliament, to think that the EFF does not follow the law, they're not principled. But here they're showing that they have principles that they follow. So they have said, if you take this fight to the Department of Home Affairs, we are joining you. But if you are not going there, then we are not supporting you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.